Welcome to HomePan TriPro. Today, we're diving deep into a kitchen appliance that promises to revolutionize your rice cooking game, the CUCKOO high-pressure rice cooker, specifically the CRP-P0609S model. If you've ever struggled with getting perfectly cooked rice, or felt limited by the basic functions of your current rice cooker, then you'll want to stick around for this in-depth review. Let's start with what makes this CUCKOO stand out. The headline feature, and it's a significant one, is its high-pressure cooking capability. We're talking about a remarkable 29 psi or 200 kilopascals. What does this mean for you? Essentially, higher pressure translates to higher cooking temperatures. This allows the rice to cook more efficiently and, more importantly, faster than traditional stovetop methods or even many other rice cookers. If you're often in a rush or cooking for a large group, this speed advantage is a game changer. Beyond speed, CUCKOO has packed this cooker with versatility. It boasts 12 different menu options. This isn't just for different types of white rice. You get dedicated settings for glutinous rice, brown rice, and even porridge. But it goes further with a multi-cook option, suggesting it can handle more than just rice. This kind of flexibility is crucial in modern kitchens where one appliance often needs to perform multiple tasks. Imagine cooking your rice and then using the same appliance for a quick steam or to prepare a hearty porridge without needing to switch to another pot. Capacity is another area where this cooker shines. It claims a 20-cup cooked capacity. For uncooked rice, it's a 6-cup cooker. This is a substantial amount, making it suitable for larger families or when you're entertaining guests. You won't find yourself needing to cook rice in batches, which is always a plus. Safety and convenience are clearly important to CUCKOO. The steam release mechanism is designed to be soft and quiet. This is a welcome feature, especially if you've encountered rice cookers that startle you with sudden bursts of steam. An automatic, safe steam release means you can operate this cooker with peace of mind. Underneath the hood, this CUCKOO utilizes fuzzy logic technology. For those unfamiliar, fuzzy logic is an advanced form of artificial intelligence that allows the rice cooker to intelligently adjust cooking time and temperature based on various factors. It's designed to compensate for variations in rice type, water amount, and even ambient temperature, ensuring a consistently perfect outcome every time. This is what takes the guesswork out of rice cooking. No more undercooked or mushy rice because the cooker simply knows how to adapt. Another unique feature, and one that might be a delightful surprise for some, is the voice guide. This rice cooker can speak to you, offering instructions and notifications. While this might seem like a novelty, for those who appreciate intuitive interfaces or have visual impairments, it can be a genuinely helpful addition. It adds a layer of user-friendliness that you don't often find in kitchen appliances. Now, let's talk about the practicalities. The inner pot is non-stick, which is essential for easy cleanup. No one wants to spend ages scrubbing stubborn rice residue. The cooker also comes with a handy steam plate. This allows you to steam vegetables or other items while your rice is cooking below, maximizing efficiency and saving precious kitchen real estate. You also get the standard accessories, a product manual, a rice spatula, and a rice measuring cup, which are all useful. So, what are the pros and cons of the CUCKOO CRP-P0609S? The pros are numerous. The high-pressure cooking is a significant advantage, leading to faster and potentially better textured rice. The 12 versatile menu options offer incredible flexibility for a wide range of dishes. The large capacity is perfect for families and entertaining. Fuzzy logic technology ensures consistent, high-quality results. The safe and quiet steam release adds to the user experience. And the voice guide, while perhaps a niche feature, is a nice touch for accessibility and convenience. The non-stick inner pot and included accessories are also definite positives. On the flip side, there are a few things to consider. High-pressure rice cookers, particularly those with advanced features like this CUCKOO, can come with a higher price tag than basic models. While the voice guide is a unique feature, some users might find it unnecessary or even a little intrusive. It's also worth noting that while it's a 6-cup uncooked capacity, the sheer volume of rice and water required for certain settings means it can take up a decent amount of counter space. Finally, like any sophisticated appliance, there might be a slight learning curve to fully understand and utilize all 12 menu options to their maximum potential. In conclusion, the CUCKOO high-pressure rice cooker CRP-P0609S is a powerful, versatile, and intelligent kitchen appliance. If you're serious about achieving perfect rice consistently, enjoy experimenting with different types of grains and dishes, or simply need a reliable and fast cooker for a busy household, this CUCKOO is definitely worth considering. It's more than just a rice cooker, it's a multifunctional culinary assistant designed to make your life easier and your meals more delicious. Link in the description.